Causes of water pollution. The untreated sewage. In many villages and small towns do not have sewage treatment. This is the main cause of water pollution. The sewage enters straight into the rivers, and the untreated sewage contains many harmful germs that may cause diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, etc. So water becomes unfit for drinking. Another cause of water pollution is toxic waste, which are coming from the factories, right? The industries engaged in the manufacturing of paper, textile, leather, paints, car, batteries, etc. releases many toxic waste and discharges from them into lakes and rivers. So these waste may causes highly toxic substances, contains highly toxic substances like the lead, mercury, arsenic, etc. So these contaminate the water in the river and lakes, causing damage of the aquatic life. Another cause is that fertilizers which are used by the farmers to improve their soil fertility, and pesticides and insecticides to protect the plant from various diseases. The excessive use of these fertilizers or the chemicals, when go through the water or the rainwater, it causes water pollution. As it is present at the top layer of the soil, so in rainwater it get mixed, and after that it move to the river, that causes water pollution. Fertilizers actually accumulated in the bodies of the fishes, humans who are who may consume the fish may eventually get poisoned. So the excess use of chemicals, the fertilizers may also causes the water pollution. Now we see the measure to reduce water pollution. What we can do to reduce water pollution. So water pollution can be controlled by various ways. First of all, the pre-treatment, the treatment before coming to the river, right? Pre-treatment of waste from factories. The toxic waste released from the factory should be treated to remove harmful chemicals. So first we have to clean the water which is coming from the factories. After that we have to dispose them into the river. Another way is use of appropriate amount of fertilizers and pesticides. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides causes harmful effect and causes water pollution, so we have to minimize it, right? Proper sewage treatment is also very necessary, that the sewage which is coming from the factories, hospitals, offices, etc. should be treated properly before discharging it into the water bodies. And another is avoid mixing of excreta with water, means cattle dung and also human excreta should not be allowed to mix with the water in river, lakes. Potable water. The water that is fit for drinking is called the potable water. As we need to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day to remain healthy, so the water should be clean, and we can clean the water by boiling, as boiling kills the germs. Another way is candle filter. It is a type of filter which we can use at our home. And the another way is chlorination. Chlorination is a method used for purifying water, and this is done by adding specified amount of chlorine tablets to water. Chlorination also helps in killing the germs that can lead to waterborne diseases. Bleaching powder can also be added to purify the water.